Hey, Jake Gang. Uh, so I'm getting the push rods in and the rocker arm assemblies. I got these Harland roller rockers. They're soaking in oil. I got my gloves on because this is gonna be a mess. Um, they look great. Too bad you're not gonna see them, with the valve cover on. But so first thing you want to do, get your push rods. And on each end I already did the assembly lube on the ball ends there. So let me set this down. And see if I can't zoom in a little bit on this. Okay, that's good. And just slide it down to that hole till you hit that lifter. And feel around in this thing. Make sure you're in that lifter hole. You don't want to be out of that hole because you'll bend that rod on the startup. You grab another one. Same thing. Find that hole in that lifter and move it around. Make sure you're in there. Turn it. Make sure there's nothing hanging up. All right, let me grab my rocker assembly here. This is where it's really messy. Got all these parts soaking in braking oil. Per the manufacturer's instructions. You got to hold all these pieces together, just like the factory ones. You got to hold the whole assembly together while you're getting the bolts started. It's cumbersome sometimes. All right, so, see, those bushings, dang it. Those bushings want to fall off when you tip it over to, so you got to kind of hold it like this. You're holding all them pieces together. All right, get it on. Oh, I put a couple dabs of braking lube on the top of the valves here. So these actually go in at a little bit of a slight angle, like going that way towards the driver's side, the way the head is machined. But make sure you got them ends on top of them push rods. Just screw them down. That's all I can get with my fingers right now. But make sure you're on that push rod there. Grab this next assembly here. Now, I think on the stock ones, I'm not sure, but I think the torque on it is 19 foot-pounds. On the stock stamped steel ones, I think. So don't hold me to that. But these happen to be 24 foot-pounds. So let's get this one on there. I have to wipe all this mess up when I'm done. Getting all my nice paint oily. Oh, shoot. This set's being stubborn. Shoot. Alright. You gotta wrestle with them a little bit. Come on now. This one's in. This one doesn't want to go in. Figures. Alright, now it's on there. Okay. Just wasn't lined up real well. Make sure you stay in them holes for them push rods. Under there. Alright, I'm going to peel these gloves off so I can grab my torque wrench. I didn't have the right fitting or socket for this. So what I did was I took a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. I just cut it with a grinder like this. I just cut off a small end on the Allen wrench and put a little 1/4 inch socket on it. I'm just going to finish hand tightening these down. I can't even turn. Everything's so damn oily. Yeah, I got to grab a small ratchet. Hold it, hang on a second. Oh, and I grabbed the wrong one. Dang it. Okay. Just snugging things up. This one, I think them bushings underneath, they're not lined up right. So I'm going to go back and I'll fix those off camera. But I already did them other ones. I'm going to torque these down real quick, just these two, because I got to fix these. These ain't sitting in there right. It's the bushing where it goes up underneath there. There's like a chamfer under there that those fit into. So, oh God, I can't even get the socket off. Everything's so oily. Trying to get the socket off so I can get it on the torque wrench. Got it. All right. Whoop. Now I lost a piece. Dang it. Oh boy. My little oh, there it goes. Okay. Sorry about that. My little Allen wrench piece fell out of there. Nothing's magnetized. So I'm just gonna 24 foot-pounds. Just like that. It's not much. I always like to do it twice. Alright, and then off camera I've got to go back and fix these two. But just repeat the same process, you know, all 12 times. Next video I'll probably get this thermostat on there and the pipe for this water pump. And I'm kind of stuck because I need copper spray. So, oh, we can always do the valve cover too. But I'm going to go ahead and stop it here so I can go back and fix these. But that's why you're in there. Please like and subscribe. It's looking great. What? There we go. All right, thanks for watching.